How to earn $20 per day online on Clickbank. If you're looking for making money online from Clickbank, this is the video for you, because I am going to share with you a free strategy that is easy to implement and you can easily scalable to enhance your earning potential. These are the things that I will cover in this video: selecting your niche, how to pick the right product to promote, how to set up your simple funnel. You do not need to have any domain hosting and landing page builder. How to drive traffic to your affiliate link, earn money, and rinse and repeat this process. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have placed the link in the description box. You can use that link and join that system and start making money from today. So let's start it. Selecting your niche. Let's first move to the platform that is known as Clickbank. If you move to the Clickbank, first you need to create your account. It hardly takes you a few minutes. All you need is to provide your personal information, banking information, and account information. Make sure you provide the right information, because using that information they will send you check. And once you have completed this step, now let's move to affiliate marketplace. In affiliate marketplace, you can find different types of categories and products, and these are the categories out there. You can work on any category, but I recommend you to work on those categories in which you have an interest. You know something about that niche. Let's suppose you are good at e-business and e-marketing, so pick up that niche. Or if you are good at cooking, then pick up that niche. Even if you are good at health and fitness, then you can select health and fitness niche. For the purpose of this video, I am just opening up home and garden. These are the products that are included in home and gardens. You can start using different things. I recommend you to start using gravity. The higher the gravity, the better would be for us, because higher the number of affiliates are making money after selling that product. This product has a gravity of 139, so it means over 139 affiliates are making money after selling that product. It also offers you a decent commission of $57. Just move downward, you can find different products, but I recommend you to pick up a product which at least have a gravity of 30 and which also offers you at least average affiliate commission of $30. Now if I open up the landing page to check whether the landing page is created professionally or it is just a garbage, because we are promoting that product, and once our visitors visit that landing page, and if that landing page gets their attraction, definitely there is a more chance they will buy that product and we will earn affiliate commission. So this is the landing page. Just move downward. You can see that it looks professionally built. It has a video, it has a catchy lines, and it also has an add to cart button. So this landing page looks very professional to me. There are a lot of stuff out there on the landing page, and once you are happy with the landing page, just you have completed your 2 steps. You have pick up your niche and you have chosen your product. Now after completed your 2 steps, our next task is to how to set up your simple funnel, and it do not require your no domain, no hosting, and no landing page builder. How you can set up your funnel? Just move to a platform that is known as Google Docs. Just search for Google Docs. It is actually a product of Google. Now open up that link, click on personal, go to Google Docs. Click on that blank page. This is your Google document. Your next step is to move to your landing page. This is your landing page. Take a snapshot of that, catchy titles. Let's suppose if I take the snapshot of that catchy title, you can use different tools. And let's suppose if I take the snapshot of this image and save it into my desktop. Now move to the Google Docs, click on insert image, upload from computer, click on that image, it will be added into your Google Docs. Now you are seeing that your Google Docs is very similar to a landing page. All you need is to get your affiliate link from the Clickbank. If you log into your Clickbank account, just click on promote. Get your hop link here. If you are logged into your account, you will see your nickname here. Let's suppose this is my nickname. I will click on generate hop links. This is my hop link. Just copy that hop link. This is your affiliate link. If anyone click on that link and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. Move to another platform that is known as bit.ly. The link you are taking from Clickbank marketplace is very ugly and people generally do not like these types of links. So what we are doing, we are actually moving to a platform that will shorten up our link. It will make our link much pretty. So just paste your link here, click on shorten. Now copy that shorten link and move to your landing page that you have created on Google Docs. Click on your image and add your link into your image. So if anyone click on that image and buy that product, you will earn affiliate commission. So how you can add that link into your image? Just click on that link icon, paste your link here, apply. So this will be added to your image, and now at the end just add few lines. Apply, make it much bigger so it looks better. So now you have created your landing page on the Google Documents. You have attached or added your affiliate link in the image, and you have also added your affiliate link in the text. Our next task is to drive traffic to that landing page. This is our next step, that is how to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Now our task is to move to a platform that is known as Quora. Quora is one of the world's largest questioning and answering websites, and it has millions of visitors that keeps coming on this website on a daily basis. They are asking different questions on Quora and people are answering them on a daily basis. And what smart people are doing, they are sharing their affiliate link in the answer section. So once these people read their answers, they will click on these links and they most of the times buy that product, and that's how those people will earn affiliate commission. You can create your account for free, but make sure you need to provide value at the start. Just like any other platform, you just cannot add your link in the answer section. Just interact with the community, answer them, provide value, and once you have established your authority, after 1 or 2 weeks you can answer like that. So I am just giving you an example here. Let's suppose someone has asked a question, how do I start woodworking? I have written a reply in the form of that. Woodworking is an art and you need to learn that. 20 years back you have to go to get training from different workshops, but nowadays you can master this art in your home. Even there are products available where you could get more than 15,000 woods plan. So you can add your link, let's suppose master this art. You can add your landing page link. Just take your landing page link, copy and add that landing page link. You can also shorten up that landing page link, or you can directly link to your Quora account. So paste your link here and click on add. So that link has been added, and once you click on submit, that answer will be added into that Quora website. There are two benefits of answering questions in Quora. The people who have actually directly asked the questions, they will come to this website, they will see their replies, and they definitely have a chance to take action, and they may buy that product using your affiliate link. And second is, Quora has very high authority, so any reply on Quora has a high chance to get traffic from the Google. Definitely you are seeing a lot of Quora links on the Google first page, as because Quora has a good reputation and good trust with the Google, and Google are actually loving these types of websites. So if there is a chance that if anyone search on Google about woodworking plans and woodworking, how to start woodworking, there is a chance that your post will get traffic from the google.com, and you can get conversion from the google.com. So you are getting traffic from two way, from the Quora community itself and from the google.com. So once people who are actually reading your post will click on that link, they will move to this landing page, and if they like, definitely there is a great chance that 30 to 50% of the people will actually click that link. And those who will click that link, 5 to 10% of the people, they will definitely buy that product using your affiliate link. That's how you can make money from Clickbank. And you can definitely earn $20 per day using this strategy. All you need is to do it on a consistent way. You just cannot rely on one product. Use this strategy on multiple products. Create multiple landing pages on Google Documents, and move to Quora.com and share your link on the Quora. So once people move your landing page from different keywords, definitely you have a high chance to get conversion on different products, and you can ultimately making $20 per day on Clickbank. Even I have seen people who are actually earning more than that, and all you need is to do it on a consistent way. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.